Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Polyhedra network coin. Ticker symbol is ZK. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So I just saw this, two announcements on Twitter, on X.com. One of them was from Kucoin, another one was from Bybit, announcing about this token here. So this token here is right now, it says pre-market trading has begun for the ZK coin. Secure your purchase sale price of ZK now. So this was just announced basically yesterday on Twitter, on Bybit's Twitter. If you go to @Bybit_official, it says pre-market is open. And you can click check it out, and that's going to take you to a link where you can get involved with the pre-market. Or you can click on details here, and that's going to explain how to get this token in the pre-market sale here. So we are thrilled to announce that the Polyhedra Network ZK token will be the latest project to be listed on the Bybit pre-market trading. So Polyhedra Network aims to exponentially improve computational power and cross-platform interoperability within the vast blockchain ecosystem and the intersecting domains of Web 2 and Web 3. ZK is the native token of the Polyhedra network. And then it has a link to their webpage, which is at Polyhedra Network, real easy to find, or polyhedra.network, real easy to find that. And then once you go there, you're going to find tons of links as well. I did see that Kucoin talking about this token as well, so it's looking like it's going to be on Bybit and on Kucoin. I believe there is staking information on Kucoin about this project here as well. If you go to their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at Polyhedra ZK, you will see that they have an insane following. 977,000 Twitter followers, almost 1 million. Gold verified checkmark, 578 tweets. So their pinned tweet, it says ZK is coming. And then they have a separate webpage just regarding the token in their pinned tweet if you want to check that out. zk.polyhedra.network. So that's where you're going to find tons of info. We'll bring that up here. But check out Kucoin's Twitter as well. I believe there's a campaign going on there about this project as well here. And yeah, so their Twitter has a link to there, and it says, excuse me, Polyhedra Network ZK, the scaling computing, and it has Polyhedra ZK token mining on OKX as well. So that is one of their most recent tweets from yesterday as well. It says ZK token subscription is now available on OKX. Jumpstart with a 6 million ZK staking pool. So there's the staking pool I just mentioned. But there is another one. Oh, right there. So if you keep scrolling down on the Twitter in there in the corner, it says ZK token is available on Burning Drop. So you can stake the Kucoin token KCEX to subscribe and then burn KCEX to mine more ZK airdrops. And that is for March 16th, which is today. So there you go. Hopefully you get into that in time. If not, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens and new updates and stuff like that. But those are 3 different places as of now where the token is available for basically, I guess, like pre-order, whatever you want to talk, however you want to say it. Bybit, Kucoin, and OKX. And I'm sure there's going to be tons more places in the future as well. So on their webpage, if you go to zk.polyhedra.network, so it says, who is eligible? On-chain users. And then it says there is a snapshot. ZK is coming soon. So it looks like a Binance Web3 wallet airdrops as well. So Binance is involved with this. They have ZK Bridge loyalty points. And yeah, so it says 20 million plus ZK scaling computing, 40 million plus ZK bridge transactions, 80 plus ZK proofs generated, and ecosystem partners. And you could explore the ZK bridge or the ZK research. And then they have here what's new. So let's click on that there. Oh, error 410. Great. Okay. So their webpage isn't up to par yet. But yeah, anyways. This is kind of a useless page if you're going to click on it and it just says error. What's up with that? Okay, so empowering interoperability and computation via ZK, bringing interoperability and scaling to Web3 with cutting-edge zero-knowledge proof systems. So they have the introducing the ZK Bridge protocol. This is part of the Polyhedra project. So ZK Bridge uses Zksnarks to enable a prover to efficiently convince the receiver chain that a certain state transition happened on the sender chain. ZK Bridge consists of a block header relay network and an updater contract. I've done many tokens on ZK bridges, Zksnark, all that type of stuff. So if you've watched a lot of my videos, you've heard me talk about this before, but just for the sake of other people. The block header relay network retrieves the block headers from the sender chain, generates proof of the validity of the block headers, and sends the headers along with the proofs to the updater contract. And the updater contract maintains a light client state. It automatically adds block headers of the sender chain once its associated proofs are verified and updates the current main chain and the sender chain. Now you can read the ZK Bridge technical paper. You could use ZK Bridge. So that's a big part of the Polyhedra project. So they also have something called Virgo and Orion and all these other things. Polyhedra research. You could review all of that on their webpage. So they offer interoperability. So Polyhedra Network implements infrastructures for Web3 interoperability across heterogeneous systems, which guarantee strong security without extra trust assumptions. Scalability. Polyhedra Network designs and develops scalable and efficient zero-knowledge proof protocols for large-scale ZKP systems with distributed computing networks and modularity. By applying a modular design, our infrastructures can become a building block for other systems, and the developers can use the ZK knowledge without barriers. Within the ecosystem, they have tons of partners. I mean, there's probably one of the most I've ever seen, which is why this is such a big project on so many levels here on this thing. So it says they sent out 20 million plus total messages, 25 plus supported blockchains, and 80 plus ecosystem partners. They have news articles you can review, and they have backers on their page. But basically, if you want to learn more about this project and how to get it, go over to how to get the token, go over to Bybit and check out their pre-market, which is just opened. And you can also check out OKX and Kucoin. But as of now, those are the only places you can acquire this so far, but they're going to give more details, of course, on their Twitter about the ZK token coming out. It says deposits are open on OKX, empowering Web3 interoperability and computation via ZK. Spot trading opens March 19th at 10 o'clock a.m. So there you go on OKX, March 19th, 10 a.m. UTC time. That's when this Token will go live for spot trading, but as of now, they just have the pre-market stuff. And yeah, so there you go. Thank you for the unwavering support from the BNB chain. And then BNB chain tweeted out at BNB chain on Twitter, congratulations at Polyhedra. And yeah, there's a whole tweet about that. So there you go. Let me know in the comments down there what do you guys think about this project. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, check out all the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.